Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Monday, June 12th, in hot and humid conditions most of this week, and we'll have an increasing chance of showers and thunderstorms as the week moves on, as we see a little bit of cooler air try to make a push towards the Great Lakes, and perhaps next week we see a little bit of a trough set up across the Great Lakes, and that could mean a few degrees below normal for temperatures later next week, but still not too bad. We expect this to be a pretty progressive pattern, and with that will come increasing chances of more of a wetter pattern as we go through the next 7 days. You can see the extended outlook for the 6 to 10 and 8 to 14 days, indicating a little bit cooler weather across the Great Lakes. But again, this shouldn't be a real cold pattern, just more in the way of progressiveness. And again, we'll see more in the way of showers, and that'll help keep our temperatures just a little bit on the cool side. So overall, a very dry pattern we've been in. Only 25% of the normal rainfall for all 13 of our locations when you average them out so far for the first 12 days of the month of June. And again, we should see that improve here quite a bit over the next 7 days. You can see this morning a very warm day, 72.8 degrees here at Ransom Road, and humidity and dew points are right up there, as our dew points are in the mid 60s to low 70s over the last 36 hours. As far as growing degree days, you can see since April 1st, we're up towards the upper levels of the 21-year spread. And so again, growing degree days are in great shape, and I had a couple posts on LinkedIn and on Facebook and Twitter over the weekend talking about that and the dry weather, which we expect to see improvement in. And you can see 25% when you consider all of our stations, but look at some of these locations, only 6.9% of the normal month's rain so far up to the first 12 days in Lansing, and only 7.3 at Jasper and Blissville. So again, a couple locations very dry overall. And you can see for the 43 days since May 1st, we're at 64% of our normal rainfall. And again, we should catch up on that this morning. You can see some of the lightning activity off our lightning detection network this morning. And you can see, if we look at the radar, some of those stronger storms moving to the southeast. Overall, the pattern is moving off to the east-northeast. And again, we expect more to develop. And as the system continues to move to the east in time, and we'll see that chances of showers and thunderstorms increase over the MAC area and over in LAC here as we go through the next several days. If we look at the soil conditions, you can see very warm soil readings now, temperatures in the mid 60s to the low 70s across the area. And again, since midnight, none of our reporting stations recorded any rainfall. That should change here, I think, over the next 24 hours. You can see this morning very warm, sticky conditions, temperatures in the low 70s across the area. Lansing station, the computer that runs that station has been down since Friday. Hopefully we'll get that up and running sometime this morning. And if we look at the weather map this morning, you can see a tremendous amount of heavy rain and severe storm potential off to our west. And really that's where the main severe weather will be over the next couple of days. By the time the storms get into Michigan, there could be a few strong or even severe storms, but overall the bulk of the severe weather should stay off to our west with this system this week. You can see by tomorrow's weather map, again, as long as we have that front nearby, we have the chance, especially across the northern portions of the MAC area, to pick up some afternoon and evening thunderstorms. And you again see a large area of severe storms off to our west and some heavy rain potential in portions of Minnesota, Wisconsin. And if we look at the forecast map by Wednesday morning, again, that warm front would be pushing back to the north after settling through near the area. We'll see temperatures as we get into Thursday climb back up in towards the mid and upper 80s, maybe close to 90 again. So again, pretty warm, sticky week overall. We got severe storms will be possible midweek across Wisconsin. And again, with this kind of setup, we'll always watch for a MCS complex to roll from the northwest to the southeast into the area. Again, we'll have plenty of opportunities for showers and thunderstorms over the next 5 days. As far as how much precipitation we could expect over the next 7 days, you can see much of the area between 1 to 2, maybe even 2.5 inches of rain, and some very heavy rains up to 5 inches across portions of central Wisconsin. Again, a lot of rainfall expected over much of the area here over the next 7 days. And as far as that forecast goes, you can see for today highs in the upper 80s to low 90s. Again, areas to the south that see more in the way of sunshine have a better chance of cracking 90. Now in Breckenridge, we hit 90 degrees yesterday. I think we were the only location. I'll have to go back and check, but we did hit 90 degrees. So if we can hit 90 again today, we'll just need one more day on Tuesday if we can somehow get to 90, although it doesn't look like it, with more clouds and a better chance of showers and thunderstorms as we get into Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday night into Wednesday. Plenty of thunderstorm opportunities, and that'll continue into Thursday. So again, although you don't get rain maybe necessarily every day, there's plenty of opportunities that everyone should get some rain here this week, and it should be enough to be beneficial as well. Some of the storms could be strong, but again, the severe weather looks like it's going to be primarily off to our west this week. Thanks for stopping by, and have yourself a great day, a great work week, and 73s to all.